ArcGIS and friends, welcome back to another beautiful section with us. We have a special request. He asked us to help show how to overlay an AutoCAD file on top of a base map in ArcGIS. He also asked that we show him how to generate a contour map in using sulfur, golden sulfur. So today I'll be using the our normal ArcGIS Pro, and I'll be using golden sulfur 19 version 19. So let's dive straight into the video. I don't know if you watch Beggy Bede. That lady is something else. So data set presented here, he has given us the CSV file and he has given us the DXF, the DWG file, the AutoCAD file for this, of which I've opened up. So I'm going to be specific to him because I am teaching him. So sorry for that, excuse me. So I have opened up your file. This is your CSV file and this is your DXF file that you've sent. I opened it up and this is your CSV file. For contour mapping, we only need your northings, eastings, and heights, which is what I'm going to extract from here. I'm going to do it extracting and I'm going to show you from scratch. Then I've opened up your AutoCAD data set, as you've already told me that this is what you need and this is what you are going to be using. So I'm going to be moving this, all of this, and extracting it into AutoCAD. I've noticed that sorry, let me show you something. I've noticed that you plotted, let me see, you plotted in layers, which is nice. You plotted in layers, which is nice. Let me cover the road. You plotted in layers, it's nice. So well done for that. Your vegetation, not all are even, I don't know if you forgot or you're just coloring, but plotting in layers is very nice. So well done for that. At least you have different things here showing that you plotted in layers. Okay, so let's go into the video. So to do this, you have to copy with base coordinates. You just highlight all of them, click board, copy with base coordinates. It will tell you that it has copied specific numbers of coordinates. As you can see from mine, it's showing 4,000 something. Okay, my video is covering it, but okay, you can see it's 4,000 something. You have to click on a point and then go back to another drawing space and include and say clipboard, copy to or paste to original coordinate. It will paste. If you can't see it, it says zoom extent and it will show up. What I'm trying to do is separate what is there already to another drawing space so I can save it up. Instead of starting to delete that other work that you said you don't need, I'm just separating it. I just took it there, took it to another drawing space with the same coordinates style. I checked if your layers are still there and they are still there. So I saved the work as DWG. It's saving right now. I say save and I save as DWG. Even if you save it as DSF, ArcGIS will still see it. There is no problem as that. Now my ArcGIS interface is already open. So I go to tools, I search for card to layer. If you search card to layer, you see different ones. You can automatically drag it there, as simple as that. You can automatically drag your AutoCAD to ArcGIS to read it, but I'm showing you how you can do it from the toolbox. If you search card to, that card to Geodatabase is automatically changing the card file to a Geodatabase that you can automatically see something like a shape file, but it's not shape file, it's something like shape file, but it's called Geodatabase. You can access it in your folder, which I've done and I generated with in the coordinate system we are working with, which is zone 32 north. This is that, and it has read it. I'm not saying anything in the video because of somebody was playing a very loud music, and if I was going to be talking, you might not hear me loud and clear. So, and I don't want YouTube to do anything to it. So that's why I'm using voiceover. So I'm going to add the data now. I'm searching for it. I saved it in the geodatabase in ArcGIS, AutoCAD to ArcGIS. So that is the geodatabase. I open it up and it's there, and I see add. It has run, and this is where you have the file, the AutoCAD file, automatically as a geodatabase now in ArcGIS, loaded over a base map. So from your work, you're very correct. You're very correct. You're very, very correct. So you have to be careful while in doing your coordinate style, because that's where the problem is. If you choose another coordinate style, it will fall off. If you choose the right coordinate, it will fall in. So your work is correct and is overlaid properly on a base map in ArcGIS. Let's go into plotting the contour maps on using sulfur. I'm going to be using sulfur 19. Look out for that one. Thank you very much. Bye.
Extracting the northeast, eastern, and heights. So what you need for this is just these three, and then we are going to create a new sheet. We are going to paste, Control V. We are going to paste. So we don't need this NEZ. We don't need that at all. So we are going to be deleting that column. So we just need it like this. We already know that this is the software will read it as this is N, E, and Z. So we have how many points? We have 643 points. So we are going to save this as CSV. Yes. Let's save it as contour points. CSV. We are saving. I don't save in desktop. Give me the folder I am working with. I'm working in gigs. I'm working in Humphrey folder, and I say save. He will tell me that no, I say save.